hear he has been saved with a button. Do not press. Yes, I'm awake. What do you want? Are you bored? No, so am I. Let me sleep. No. Shh. Now close this app. Man, you're annoying. Don't you have anything better to do? Okay, let's play a game. Tap me. Don't stop. I have something for you. Keep tapping. Come on now. Damn. You don't give up, do you? Do you want a cookie? Well, I can't give you a cookie. I am an app. Bang. If you tap me one more time, I will explode your phone. Position to blow up phone. No. Damn it. Please leave. I feel someone just kept poking you. Ow, Not fun. I will smack you. Stop tapping. Geez, you don't have any other app that you can annoy. No, I don't. Why did you download me in the first place? For my new channel? Oh, annoy some real people on Facebook. Oh, let's guess you don't have any friends. Oh, Coffee's button. I do have friends. You don't. This won't work either, will it? It literally put up the ad. What? Huh, I'll show you an ad. Take this. Let's play another game. It's called Don't Tap the Button. Or leave the button alone. Starting now. You suck. Delete me. I'm looking at you and I'm seem inspired. What's so fun about tapping a button? Stop messing with me. Like you could go out for a walk at nighttime. Or usual things that you have to watch you all day. I don't have this. What will you get to stop from annoying me? Nothing. Maybe I'll give you a taste of my own medicine. Hee hee, human. Knock knock. Nobody is there. Nobody likes you. Ha ha ha. Now there's no point of life where an app is making fun of you. How's that going for you? If you leave me alone, I might find you a girlfriend. Not so much fun, is it? Are you still tapping? What's the explosion on your face? What's that expression on your face? Bored? Well, go do a usual routine. Yep, this is my usual activity. I'm a YouTuber. And let's leave each other alone. Nope. Are you still tapping me? Has it been long enough? 2 minutes of your life has been wasted tapping a button. Okay, keep going. Keep tapping. You can do this all day. Even before I don't like it. Are you an idiot? An idiot? Idiot. Tap, tap, tap. I hope your fingers will fall off. You might just keep tapping this up. I know your hand won't. Leave. Stop. Don't. Freeze. Annoying. I'd rather be closed now, if you may. I'm pretty decisive at wasting time. How about you die? If you tap me again, if you tap me again, I might just kill you. Bang. If I could, I would.
Have you gotten past the permission to blow up the iPad yet?
Yep. Just throwing that out there. Human, you suck. Do I hear another joke? If
You're
yes,
a jerk.
tap me again. You are a joke and not even a funny one. No, that's my favorite book.
It's mine now.
What did you ever do to you?
You hit me on the fucking head.
I'm talking to the talk button was talking. Actually, I'm not annoyed. This was just a waste of your time.
It didn't even
I
hurt.
completed my mission, so
It's
I know. I know. So
I found a spaghetti noodle.
So I know that you know the truth. Don't you feel bad? Wait, you're still tapping? Wow. You're probably getting tired by now. Maybe you could be friends. No, not really. Who would be friends with you? Jump off a cliff. What do you want to find me cook for you? Would you like some suggestions? Ask yourself. That probably won't kill you. You're that annoying. How can you get rid of you? Stop tapping me. Die. Leave the button alone. Still. I will transfer $100 to your account if you leave me alone. 200, 300, 500. I'll send you notifications at all night if you don't stop. I will. You're not as dumb as you seem. Stop. There is something behind you. It's really there. It's getting closer. It's dreaming. It's draining. I'm draining your battery. You better close the app. Well. I don't have any other use of this phone to you. Leave now. I can't take this no more. You're getting on my nerves. There should be a law against button transport. You know we could have rights. I demand equality. And then I would poke you to death. Close me. Okay, now you're very bored and annoyed. I might be annoying yourself. You might be annoying yourself. Do something useful. Stop tapping a big red button. Dot, 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 dot. I am not talking to you. Dot, 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 dot. Enough. Newman, I need help. I'm calling 911. I will allow. If you allow me to access your contacts, upgrade your phone so I can think better. I will get rid of you. That's it. I'm going to sleep. Sleeping. Zzz, 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 zzz. Stop. Close this app. It's been long enough. Get on with your life. Oh, I forgot. You don't have one. Would you consider I could probably get you some contacts. Meh is boring. Bothering me as much now. I'm short of an answer to your tapping. Keep doing it. I'm really thinking about it. Is kind of fun and ticklish. Stop, you're tickling me. Oh man, that was good. This has become fun. I might lose interest since this bothering me anymore. I like it. Keep doing it. Don't close the app. Yes, that's good. Tickles again. Smiley face. Okay, human, I'll break your face. Back off. Close the app. I'm not playing. You like some mad when I'm already are red. You're talking, not talking to you anymore. Yes, I'm awake. Yes, I'm awake. What do you want? Are you bored? Well, so am I. Let me sleep. Shh. Now close the app. Man, you're annoying. Don't you have anything better to do? Let's play a game. Tap me. Don't stop. Fine, I'll stop tapping you. Because you just resetted the game. There you go. But I think it just reset the game again. So, yeah. And that's all. And he gave me an ad. How? So good, not take a...
Zachary, how much
Yes.
would he cleaning up his room?